Hey everyone, Greg here from This and That. I just wanted to put some of these clips together to show you guys what I did. I made a chessboard and chess pieces, and I wanted to share it with you guys. I'll kind of try to narrate what's going on here. Here I'm making the board itself, and I'm flattening the board on the CNC, the 1/2-inch 2-flute cutter. I made these clamps to hold it down on the side. Here's the frame with dovetail joints I made with joint cam. Here it's put together. I know I'm skipping a lot, but these are only pictures I had really. Here I'm showing the test pieces for the dovetails. Adjust this as needed to get the right fit. Here the drawer faces and the side panels are on. Here I'm starting the legs, cabriole style legs, using my 4th axis on the CNC. Here's the rounding tool path. Here's the roughing tool path. And then you can see it sitting in the pile of sawdust there, finished. 3 more to do. And here's the chess pieces. I did the same way on the 4th axis. There's the bishops, I think. Here I bored in the bottom with a Forstner bit and then counterweighted them with lead. Epoxied those in place. And then once they cured, I threw them back on the lathe and trimmed the bottom off flush. Then I made a die to cut the felt pieces. Right there's the die. And I hit it with a hammer on a piece of felt and cuts a nice circle. Just adjust the size as needed. Here you can see the king height is just over 5 inches. And there it's all staining together. I just don't have the knob on the drawers. Here are the drawers, felt lined. Turned out pretty well. Okay, so here are the pieces: king, queen, bishop, knight, rook, pawn. And if we look at the sizes, the king is 1 3/4 by just over 5 tall. The queen is same diameter, 1 3/4 by 4.3 tall.
The bishop is 1.5 in diameter by almost 3.9 tall. And the knight is 1.83 by 1.5 in width and 3.78 tall. And the rook is 1.5 in diameter and is 3.417 tall. And the pawn is 1.35 in diameter by 2.778 tall. And see, turn the edge faces on so you can kind of see the detail a little bit, outlines the detail somewhat.
Okay, good luck.